I mean, I just feel like I'm like paralyzed, doom scrolling for no reason. Everything I'm doing in my life just feels gross right now. So I want to snap out of it and get back on the track of all the things I want to do, right? I got books I want to write. I got videos I want to make. I got experiments I want to try. I got a life I want to build. So I'll get plastic surgery if I need to. I don't know. I'm going to try to take it 1 week at a time on my channel. I'm a grown up and I'm entering a new chapter of my life and I got to figure out what I'm doing here. So on my channel, week by week, I'm going to be documenting myself, trying to get my life back on the rails, resetting, reinventing my life. It was supposed to be at 40, but now it's 41 because the whole surgery thing. I'm still recovering from that, but I'm really trying to not let life take me down. I think I've had a few crossroads where I could really just give up and let life just take me down and just give up and settle for whatever I could get. But I'm really trying to be like one of those people who's like, I'm not going to let this define me. I'm going to pick myself up by the bootstraps and I'm going to have an even better life than I had before. Like, this surgery is not going to take me down. I'm going to get my left leg working the same as it was before surgery, because my left leg's still a little fucked up because it worked on the right side of my brain. Like, I'm going to just be a little hellraiser and I'm going to be hotter than I have ever been, even though I don't currently have real hair on the top. And yeah. But it's like I vacillate between feeling like that and feeling like I just want to give up because life has really kicked my ass. I have no idea where to start, but I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to do it. I'm going to share it with you guys and you're going to subscribe and follow along and you're going to do some stuff too and like the video. And welcome back to Taylor Television. Welcome. My hair is fake. Don't worry about it. It's been a lot to cope with, my health struggles over this past year. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I had brain surgery this year. I get 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks a year, kid-free. The kids go with their dad. He visits them from Hong Kong. Well, actually, to be fair, they've been going on spring break too. So sometimes I get a 3rd week. But anyway, it's been a lot to cope with, my health struggles, kind of going through it. I have to like wear this heart monitor right now. It's a whole thing, but I have 2 weeks and I'm always so busy taking care of them and trying to take care of myself and keeping everything together. So I'm really embarking on a journey of trying to make my life better this year. If you recall my videos from last year, I was on like this hell-bent journey to be the hottest, happiest, most successful version of myself. And then I got stopped pretty dead in my tracks by being diagnosed with a brain tumor. So that's kind of taken up most of the year. And I feel like not that great still. I don't feel like myself, but I know if I get back into making YouTube videos, that will make me feel more like myself, because that's when I do feel most like myself, is when I'm making videos. It's just been really hard to get back in the swing and the groove of making them because I feel kind of depressed and paralyzed, overwhelmed physically. I got done with radiation, started having seizures. It's really been a lot. So I'm gonna try to take it 1 week at a time on my channel. So I'm thinking of as an experiment, I was going to have ChatGPT suggest what I should do week by week and then just do that every week and try to see like what things actually are incorporatable into my everyday life to make my life better. I feel like when I first started making YouTube videos, I was trying to get my life back on the rails from that breakup where I thought I was going to get married, and then that just turned out to be a pretty bad situation, to put it lightly. I'm recovering from brain surgery and radiation, and I feel like the best way to document it is by doing like a week by week thing. So I thought it might be funny and fun to ask ChatGPT every week, like, what's one thing I could do this week to get my life back together? And I don't know, maybe that'll be fun and funny, or maybe it won't. Maybe I'll just decide my own things week by week on how to get my life back together. But I know this week I have to basically clean up because my life's so busy. I'm very, very tired. My kids have busy lives. I'm taking care of them all the time. And it basically creates a situation where my surroundings always look like this. And I can't really ever get anything done because, you know, they say your outer world represents your inner world, and I have to say that I agree with that. I feel very mixed up. I feel confused. I feel overwhelmed. I feel paralyzed. So this week I was just going to focus on getting the place cleaned up. I just have always said that that's the first step of what I need to do. I'm not really proud of this situation, but I'm trying to be, I don't know. I was going to say even before the brain tumor, it was like this, but like I got divorced twice back to back, and then I got into this really terrible relationship, and that kind of took all my energy for years. And I don't know, I've just been like flailing through my life and throwing shit to the wall to try to see what sticks. And I don't know, the only thing that stuck is wanting to be a YouTuber. And even that, I'm like really overwhelmed about, because like, do I even have it in me to do this anymore? I don't know, but I'm going to spend this year finding out, because I either spend this year committed to growing my YouTube and seeing if I can, or like basically having to decide I need to do something different, because at this point, you know, and my son just turned 18, my daughter will be 18 soon. I'm going to be like an empty nester. So I'm giving it one more try, like hell, to see if I cannot create the life of my dreams, which means growing my YouTube channel to be successful, to be able to help, inspire, entertain other people through my YouTube videos. I really love live streaming. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. So I don't know, guys. This is day one of me trying to reset my life at 41 instead of at 40. I'm a year late because, you know, I had a brain tumor. So who can blame me? I'm trying to be compassionate with myself, although I'm always frustrated. Like I can never relax because my mind's always thinking of all the things I want to do and how behind I feel. But I'm gonna try to not be like that, even though I don't know, I might have like generalized anxiety disorder or something. I might have depression. I might need medication. I tried medication. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying. I feel like that's kind of relatable if you feel stuck in your life. I mean, I just feel like I'm like paralyzed, doom scrolling for no reason. Everything I'm doing in my life just feels gross right now. So I want to snap out of it and get back on the track of all the things I want to do, right? I got books I want to write. I got videos I want to make. I got experiments I want to try. I got a life I want to build. So I'll get plastic surgery if I need to. I should have put lip balm on before I started this video. I'm on a journey, and the kids are with their dad. And so I'm always full time with the kids, but I would love to use these 2 weeks to kind of brainstorm a new, I lose my words a little bit sometimes. I'm trying so hard to think of the word. What's that called when you're in, it's like in a momentum, a new trajectory. And it's the same trajectory I always wanted. Just lose sight of everything. I have ADHD. I don't think the brain tumor did my executive functioning any help, any favors. So yeah, I don't know. We used to do my skincare. We used to do everything on my channel, on the live streams. I still want to go live, but I just figured I would make a welcome back video to let you know what I'm going to be up to on the channel. I'm going to be creating a life I actually want to live, an exciting, fun, successful life. And I'm going to do it 1 week at a time. And I might be asking ChatGPT how to do that and following ChatGPT's instructions. Or I might just be making my own instructions. We'll see whatever is more entertaining and whatever is actually more practical. But yeah, I don't know. That's the intro to the whole vibe of the channel. I went through some dark times, and I'm really trying to pull myself out of them. And I don't know if I'll be able to. I feel a little bit downtrodden. I feel a little bit demoralized, I would say. Like I look really bad. My hair, you know, when I don't have this hairpiece on, I never wear this hairpiece. I wore it today because I had to see my ex and his wife. I didn't want to be looking all, my hair's just like a puffball. Looking at myself like that all day doesn't help the morale. So I don't know, maybe I'll start like wearing this thing more so I feel better about myself. I was on a really good weight loss journey. I gained 40 pounds over this whole brain tumor situation. I was 140, then I went up to 180, then I got down to like 155, and then I got really tired out of nowhere. I might have had a stroke. They don't know. That's what they're trying to figure out. Did I fall and hit my head? Also, maybe. Was it alcohol related? I don't know. You know, these questions. Who'll ever know the answer to all these questions? But I'm trying to get my normal life back. I want to get back to my weight. I want to get my body in shape. I want to get my skin back to normal. My skin's been terrible. I ordered some like acid peel that I'm going to try to do myself. I'm going through a lot and I'm just trying to get my shit together one day at a time over here. So I'm going to share the journey with you in case you feel like you need to get your shit together or your life's not on the path you wanted to. And I don't know, I'm just going to try to, like, you know, those paddles they put on people's chests, like, just going to try to my life back and just do everything I ever wanted, you know, because I'm sick of thinking about it, planning it for a different day. Like, I want to lock in. And right now I don't feel very good. But you know, they say if you start when you're ready, you'll never start because there's never a perfect time. So I figure, well, this next year, my hair is going to be growing back out. I'm not quite going to feel like myself, but you know, I can work on my skin. I can work on my YouTube. I can work on my goals, my creativity. I think I've been spending way too much time on my phone because I've just been recovering and depressed. And all I do is like watch true crime and oh no, man, I never did that stuff. You guys know I'm all about that. So I don't know. Maybe I need to do a 7-day mental diet. This is it. But it's going to be interesting. So I hope you join me on my journey. Bye.